Alright, so when we're talking area, I start down here, whoops, my line's not straight, oh well. And I know this direction is going to be my positive direction. This direction is my sideways direction. This can also be referred to by X. It is sideways, can also be my Y. If I measure some distance, so this is my 0, this is my 1 in that direction, I keep going with 2. And then I can go up 4. Now, if I take those distances and say, okay, so I've got a distance going positive and a distance going sideways, then I can make that a square. Say, okay, how many squares? That's going to be 1 square. A distance, some distance x, or some distance positive, and we're multiplying that by some distance sideways, which is my I or my Y. And that's going to equal an area. So in our units we have, if we have this direction, we call this our X unit, and this is our Y unit. Then we have some like X times Y is equal to our area. So if my X unit is in positive units, my Y unit is in sideways units. And when I take a positive and a sideways and I multiply them to get them together, I get an area. Alright, so we get some area 1. If I extend this over this way, I get an area of 2. But I can also extend the area this way, and I also get an area of 2. If I extend up to 3, that's an area of 3. I can also go this way and get an area of 3. Now, if I go this way, I can also get a 4. If I go this way, I can get a 4. Or I can go this way and get a 4. So when I have an area of 4, I can express that area of 4 as 1 times 4, a distance of 1 and a distance of 4 equals an area of 4. Or I can have a distance of 2 times a distance of 2 here equals an area of 4. Or I can have distance of 4 times a distance of 1 equals to a area of 4. Now if I take the x and divide it by x on both sides, x, make sure that looks like an x and not a y. Okay, if I do that, then I'm going to get these two cancel out, giving me a y equals some a over x. Or my y is equal to an area divided by some distance in the positive direction. So this expresses the idea of division. And so we're going to explore that by looking here at what combinations match up to be a 4.